Hi, Scott here from Portland, Oregon, getting ready to go on another road trip, this time to Moab, Utah, which is over a 2,000-mile round trip. I like to be prepared when I'm on the road for emergencies. I like a brand that I can trust, like AAA. I like a product that I can depend on, like a AAA premium 42-piece road kit. And I want products that I can use, like a heavy-duty 8-gauge booster cables, flashlight with fresh batteries, and a basic first aid kit. I also want something that stows easily in my car so I have access to it if I happen to need it. Be prepared for life.